My day started at 4:45 this morning because that precious face you saw in the previous clip had explosive diarrhea all in my laundry room, hallway, and spare room. That's Tony, and he is my pit bull that is 12 years old, and my baby has cancer. So from time to time, he does get diarrhea, and we have to clean it. So I have two dogs. You've seen Kirby, the little chihuahua. You may have seen him in my empty house new home tour. If you haven't seen it, check it out. But these are some of the things that I use to keep my house smelling fresh and clean. I typically use the Fabuloso in the lavender fragrance, but today I decided to add the lemon fragrance as well. So the lavender one is antibacterial, and the lemon smelling one, I love that. Today was my first time trying that pink stuff. I've seen it like all over Instagram and YouTube, so I decided to give that a try. So I mopped the floor really well, and then I took the pink stuff, and what I did, I sprayed it in the corners and across the floor, and I mopped again with that because I kind of like OCD about this stuff, right? Like I said, I take the pink stuff, I spray it in the corners, and I spray it all over the floor, and then I mop again, all over the place. And so here I am, I'm checking on my baby. I gave him a really good bath this morning after he pooped all over the place, dried him off, and he just went to his crate because he wanted to lay down. I turned the heater on him. So here I am, cleaning the hallway, spraying the pink stuff, going over it with the Fabuloso. And it smells really good. I've been sleeping on this pink stuff, you guys. And then my mop fell to pieces. So my husband really likes this cloth mop, but I have an electric mop that I paid almost $200 for a couple years ago. And it is in storage, so I'm going to pick that up this weekend. So after I get through mopping, I get the Swifters because I OCD about bacteria and germs, and I go over the areas that I mopped again with the Swifter. And so those are the things I do to keep my house smelling fresh with pets. Thanks for watching.